welcome to Miss World, di ba?
Si Gianna, pag inaalagaan mo, makulit siya, pero malambing naman din.
Para sa akin, sobrang talinong bata. Parang, bakit nakakaiyak? Parang he's so advanced. Alam niya kung kailan siya galit, kung may gusto siya. Parang sobrang bilis niya ng alagaan.
Gianna, sana lumaki ka ng matalino, may takot sa Diyos, and have a good health always.
Hello baby, hello my love. Thank you for coming to our life, and I promise to be with you all the time that you need us. And kung ano man yung mga pangarap mo sa life, I promise na susuportahan ka namin.
Come stop the crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem
Parang parang it feels surreal na finally yung dinala ko ng 9 months is, ayun na, hawak ko na, nararamdaman ko na. I love her more than my life.
100%. Love na love ko si Gianna Police.
here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore.
We will be the best parents for you. And lumaki ka lang na may takot sa Diyos, masiyahin, masigla, healthy, and matalino. Yun, lumaki ka lang na normal, mag-develop ka lang normally from head to toe. And we always owe your life to our God.
'Cause you'll be